Hi, we're still in Italy and I wanted to share you a recipe that we cooked yesterday because girl, ang sarap iba. So let me go ahead and share it to you. Okay, so here's what we have. Shrimp. This was already cooked. I just cook it in olive oil, garlic, and some spices. And this noodles, we just bought it from the supermarket. Of course, we have the basils and we have tomato. These are cherry tomatoes. And I find yung cherry tomato dito nila is mas matamis. This is in Germany actually. And then of course some spices. So we only have this and salt for sure. And then some garlic and lemon. So yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple yung recipe. Alright, so our pasta is already boiling according to instructions. Just 7 to 8 minutes. We have our tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, I put some salt on it to bring out the juice. I also forgot to mention Parmigiano. It's just that when I was in the Philippines, I'm just used to cooking pasta with tomato sauce, with tomato paste. And when I learned it yesterday, na pwede din lang pala na tomatoes and such, na with those simple ingredients, okay na yung pasta. Masarap na din naman pala siya. That's why I wanted to share it with you para matry mo din, girl. So since the pasta is ready, our next thing to do is to saute garlic and then tomatoes. They don't have mugs here in Airbnb. They just have this espresso mug, so I used this to save some pasta water. We wanted the tomato to be so juicy, so you know, very soft. I don't know. I already added some spices on it. We have salt, pepper, red chili flakes, pepper, and then salt. Just wanted to let them all marinate. We wanted to crush the tomatoes like that. That's it. This will serve as your mini sauce. Alright, so as you can see, the tomatoes are already crushed, so it's just a matter of marinating everything together. The pasta, the shrimp, your cheese, your basil, lemon, and just a little bit of water, and it will be really delicious. So ayun lang, it was just with cherry tomatoes and that's it. Hindi mo na kailangan ng marami pang ingredients. So go ahead and try.